Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. My name is Laxmi. So as you guys can tell that I am in my bathroom. I'm doing nighttime skincare routine. I'm not any skincare expert or anything like that. So yeah, I don't really know much about skin, care products. I am like learning. I just want to show you guys like what products that I use and what works on my skin. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first step is putting my hair away from my face so that I can do my skincare. Okay, so it is done. So the first step is I have got this zero cleansing balm. I will just warm it up in my hand and apply all over my face. This will break down all your makeup, remove dirts and clean your skin. Always double cleanse, guys, even if you have only one sunscreen. I wasn't into like double cleansing stuff. Like I think I have started like double cleansing my face like few months ago. I've started watching like Hiram videos and like other skincare expert like videos. At least wash your face for 30 seconds to 1 minute. I have got this reusable makeup remover pad, and I will just like remove like everything that I have like melted with cleansing balm. I like to use this because I don't like washing my face after using cleansing balm. So yeah. Look how dirty it looks. Ew. I have got this Innisfree green tea cleanser for my second step cleansing. It's for dry skin type. I've got normal to dry skin, so it's like good for me. It forms a lot, so you just need like little amount. Now I'm gonna wash my face with lukewarm water. Always pat dry your face, guys. Don't rub it because it will just like break your skin. Now it's time for a face mask, my favorite thing to do. I have got sheet mask from the brand Orchid Flower. I find it really hard to apply sheet mask. Do you guys feel the same? And also it looks big on my face. Keep it for 20 minutes to half an hour to get the best result. It's been 20 minutes and I'm taking it out now. Oh, it feels so good. And look at my skin. It's glowing like, oh my god. I've used this for the first time and I am already in love with it. I'm using the leftover product on my hand. Don't throw out the whole thing because like there will be a lot of product in there. So yeah, I'm applying it on my neck, on my hand. I also applied it on my toes. I do masking 2 to 3 times a week, and depending like what my face needed. Sometime I do like brightening mask, sometime I do moisturizing one. For toner, I have got this Pixie Glow Tonic Toner, and I like to use my hand rather than using makeup remover pad. This is Alpha Arbutin 2%. It fades away hyperpigmentation. I have got uneven skin tone. My mouth area and neck is darker than the rest of my face. It has been few months that I have started using it and I can see a little difference. Now I'm gonna use serum. I have got this Ola Hendrickson one. I love this product because it gives brighter and radiant looking skin. This is caffeine solution from the brand Ordinary. As you can see, I like to use this at night time to reduce any pigmentation, and it also helps to reduce any puffiness. Next, I'm going to use the Ordinary Retinol 2%. I just use 2 to 3 drops and apply it all over my face. I use this 3 times a week. I don't use more than that. There are so many benefits of using retinol. It reduces sign of aging, improves skin texture, fine lines and wrinkles, and leaves flawless looking skin. And yeah, don't forget your neck and chest area. Now I'm gonna use moisturizer. For that I have got vitamin E moisturizer. I have been using this for a really long time and I really love this. I don't know why, but yeah, I really love this product. And again, I'm repeating it, don't forget to apply it on your neck and chest area. And the last step is applying lip sleeping mask. This product keeps your lips moisturized and plumpy looking all night, and it lasts for a really long time. I have got 20 gram and been using for over a year.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys like it. If there is anything that I am doing wrong or I need to do, then please comment down below. Like, I'm happy to take like any kind of suggestions. So yeah, if you like this video, then please give a big thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. You guys already know that, right? I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself, and I love you all. Mwah. Bye.